Welcome back guys, you are watching Rising Codesita, and in previous video we have installed the Mongoose, and also we have just seen the connection, how we can make a connection using Mongoose. Also one route we have just created, which is to-do/add. To-do/add will add the new to-do, whatever the to-do will be there, whatever the title will be there, it will be saved inside database, it will be logged, and we are just sending the response. And also there is a catch if there is an error. At this route we are just sending the to-dos. Right now we want to send the data from the database. So for this, let's say let get to-dos, which is the variable which will get all the to-dos, and here we need to use an await, and this function will be a synchronous function. Already we have just written about. Already guys, we have exported to-do. So from this folder you can just see inside models to-do, and here all the schema is designed, so we are going to perform the operation on it. So for this it's quite simple, to do, and here we just have to use a function which is a find, and this will find all the to-dos. Also pass the curly brackets, so this will be an object. Let's say log get to-dos. Now let's start the server. Let's say node server.js, and as I enter it will start on port number. You can just see the port which is 3000. Okay, server started successful. Now it will be connection is successful. So as I come directly to slash to-dos route. And here what we want is, as we are coming on this slash to do route, okay, this is the first collection, this is the second collection. So we are getting the data, and if you want to send it to the front end part, so you can just say here inside object form, we can just send it like get to those. And as we restart it, let's go here, let's refresh the page again. We just get the data from the server. Right now guys, we are going to go to slash to do slash add. I will just add one more field, let's say mon step. Let's add this. Now as I come on this route, we are just going to add one more field. So let's stop the server, restart it. Let's come here to do slash add. As I enter this route, you can just see this data is just inserted. Now let's go to localhost 3000, and as I will come to slash to do's, and here you can just see the first record, second record, and the third record which we have inserted right now. You can just see the title over here, Monstank video. It is able to update. So we are having two routes right now guys. We can add, we can see it. So we want this on the page which should be displayed in proper ways. For this we are going to use EJS, and we are going to download it, and this page will have all this dynamically. It will fetch from the database and it will be displayed. So this is all about today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. In next video we are going to install EJS